Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to change plan in Netflix. To change your plan on Netflix, you can do these steps. Go to your browser and then search for the official website of Netflix. Then in here, tap the official website of Netflix and then log in to your account. Now, you can see the official website of Netflix here. Tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then tap account. Scroll down until you see change plan on the plan details option. You can see now your current plan and the plan that available on Netflix are current plan example, which is only available on your phone or tablet. Basic, which is available on phone, tablet, computer, or television. Standard, which you can download on two devices. And premium, which gives a best quality in Ultra HD and HDR videos. So that's how to change plan in Netflix. Just continue and choose those plan and that's it. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!